Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this daily update here on Dogecoin. We're going to do a full update here on the technicals, also slightly on the fundamentals, kind of more related to the fundamentals in the market right now. But in general, we'll talk about everything you need to know. All right. Dogecoin had a relatively bullish weekend. But overall, like we also talked about yesterday, it turned out to be a bit of a fake out. I mean, what you can see in general here in the structure for Dogecoin, this structure is obviously bullish. All right, it's a very slow but very sustainable uptrend here that we've basically started the 17th of November, so 3 weeks ago. And the momentum and just in general the price action over the course of the weekend, I think is just continuation because of that. I mean, what you saw, to do a brief recap, is that we were able to break above 45 cents, which was quite respected as a resistance level before that. Broke above that, got the retest, retained momentum as well, which you can see right here. And then yesterday, what we talked about is that, well, as long as we're holding 45 cents here, technically we are still very bullish, but you can still see my drawings down here on the open interest chart. What I said is that, all right, well, now we had a bit of a pattern where you had this momentum coming in, bit of a slowdown. Right here, bit of a cool down, I should say. Momentum coming in, cool down, momentum coming in. And then yesterday when we covered it, there was a cool down. And what I said is that if we have new momentum coming in, then we can get into 50 cents. But we never got that new momentum. All right. After that cool down, we basically kept cooling down, and that is still going on right now. All right. So does that make Dogecoin bearish? On the lower time frames, yes. All right. We broke down below a strong support level at 45 cents. We're losing momentum still at this point of time. Excuse me, I almost have to sneeze. Losing momentum still at this point of time. We're losing volume, which was also quite high yesterday. So I cannot conclude anything else but that, at least on the lower time frames, we are bearish. And then, like I said, talking about the fundamentals here, the development of this morning has been that Bitcoin has lost some strength. Not much. I mean, Bitcoin is still holding on fine, but at the same point of time, Bitcoin was losing strength while the Bitcoin dominance was going up. And for altcoins, that can be disastrous. And I do think that development could continue into today as well. So that combination of Dogecoin specifically and individually not being that strong, bearish breakout, losing open interest, losing volume, in combination with the market developments, makes me believe that it's most likely that Dogecoin will move lower here. Now, is that bad? Yes, if you're in a trade on Dogecoin. I don't think it's actually bad if you want to buy Dogecoin, like me, all right? Because a dip like we are about to see, or a dip like we're seeing right now, is a massive opportunity as well. First of all, if we drop down, right now we're losing momentum, like I said. The first indication that we can actually see bullish momentum again is open interest. So right now the open interest leveraged positions are dropping down, but that's not great, because that's people probably closing their positions with a loss, or at least a lot of them. But what that also means is that the funding rate right now has gotten much lower. So that means that there's more place for new leverage to come in. So if you actually see new leverage coming in, if you see a bit of a spike from the open interest, that's the first indication that we have bottomed. But for me personally, the main levels I'm looking at is, first of all, this level right here between 42 and 41 cents. If I will not place any limits, all right? I first want to see the reaction to that level. If we drop down to this level here and we actually get a strong reaction and we gain some new momentum, then I'll probably buy here, because we have a strong trend line here, and just in general some other confluences, monthly open. I believe there's also, I'm not sure what this, it's just in general a strong level. So then I'll buy. But we can also, like, if we do not gain that strong reaction, if we do not gain new momentum from that level, then I will probably buy more towards this level right here at 36 cents, which was a very strong support level in November. And you have some major high time frame confluences there as well, with the daily trend and the 382 fib at around 34 cents. So that's my game plan right now. Short term, like I said, it looks most likely we will drop down lower, and then it's waiting for a strong technical level and then new momentum to kick in. That's the bottom. Then we can at least hold that level and be bullish again from there. But that I'll keep you updated on. All right. So keep an eye on the videos. For now, that's what I think you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.